Hello and welcome to this QuickBooks 2010 setup. So with this session you will able to know how to install QuickBooks and the way of creating a new company. Now in your company folder, in your installation folder, you have these files. So select QuickBooks Pro 2010 file, and to install the application you have double click on that. It will take some time, and then you can click. So it says welcome to QuickBooks. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes. And then say next and mark I accept the license agreement. If you need, you can read it down by taking time. So after accepting the license agreement, you can again click next. Then there are two choices, Express and the custom installation. So Express means you are getting whatever the default modules and functions. Custom means you can select whatever things you need, and you can skip the things that you don't need. So I selected Express. That gives you all the features. Then license number and the product number. Now both license number and product number is available in your CD. We have given several files. So there is a text file called serial. So from the serial text file you can take the serial number and you have to type the serial number. Then click next and click on install. This installation will take 5 to 10 minutes. That depends on your computer speed. So after this installation you will be able to open. Now those who are not having Windows 7, they have to download this .NET Framework 3.5, which is a separate application. Especially those who are running on Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 versions, they have to download this .NET Framework 3.5 and you have to install. before install QuickBooks 2010 version. Get to know your computer operating system by moving into computer icon, right click and then go to properties. From properties you can get to know the Windows version of your computer. And now QB is ready to open, so you can uncheck help me get started, that thing you can uncheck and then keep mark on open QuickBooks and say finish. Now here you have several options. You can explore QuickBooks by using their sample company, and also you can open existing companies. And today what we are going to do is, by creating a new company, we are going to start things. So click on create new company file, and there are few options: start interview and skip interview. So you can click on skip interview. So here in this screen you have to provide the company informations. So you write the company name, Visual Display Private Limited, and then legal name in the same thing. Then street address, city Colombo, and then country. In country Sri Lanka is not available, you can select other, and email ID, website, telephone numbers. So only required field is your company name, other things are additional things. And after filling the information, you can click on next. In the next screen you have to select how your company is organized. So several options are there. First one, it says sole proprietorship, which means if it is owned by a single user, single owner, that known as a proprietorship company. So, and also you have some other types as well: partnerships, limited liability companies, non-profit organizations, like that. So now here I am going to select other none, which is a general business type where you can use to any kind of a company. So I am going to select other none type, which is at the end. Then click next, and in the next screen you have to select the first month of your financial year. So as in the handout, select April. Then automatically your company will continue from April 2020 to 31st March 2021. That happens because of the system date. In your computer, you has to have correct date and time to have the correct physical year. So select April, click next, and in this screen you have to select your industry type. So meantime, on the left side you can see your interview progress. Now we are at the end of the interview. So far we have completed several windows. Now we are at the end. You have to select the industry type. According to the selected industry, you will get the accounts on the other side, on the right hand side. Now accounting and bookkeeping, which means you will get those accounts. So like that, information technology, agricultural firm, like that, lot of business types are there. For example, if you are running a retail business, you can select retail or online commerce. So like that, business types are available. Now today, as we have to create our own accounts, we are not going to take those predefined accounts. What we do is, we are going to select other none type, which is at the end, which will give you no accounts. Now click next. Now you are about to create your company file. So click next, and then it will ask to select the location to save the file. So I am going to select one of my hard disk drives. In my C drive, I am creating a new folder with the name QB Files. Open, and now I am going to save my company file. Now this is the name, Visual Display Private Limited .qbw. So in few seconds, file is going to create now. In few seconds you can go into your new QuickBooks company file. So I can show you now. This is how it located in my hard disk drive. So now we are ready to start work with QuickBooks company file.